So it's my birthday or whatever. Now as y'all can see, I got started doing my makeup. I mean, brows on fleek. And I might have started this vlog a little bit too late, but I was busy. So right now I'm doing my makeup. It is 1:28 p.m. May 19, 2019. You know, a bad bitch was born today, if you didn't know. Okay, so I'm just blending in my makeup or whatever. I don't know like what type of style of makeup I want to do, since my outfit is like literally all white and silver and holographic and all that stuff. I think I'm gonna just put some glitter on. Me personally, y'all would be surprised, like I don't like wearing like a lot of makeup. Like, first of all, that's a lot of work to take off at night, you feel me? Glitter to get off your eyes, girl. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little calm glitter on my eyes or whatever. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, I want to know the products I'm using. I'm using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation, and you know, the LA Pro concealer, and I mixed it with this foundation from Fit Me, L'Oreal, whatever. And for the eyebrows, I got this. I'm using a Revlon Color Stay brow pencil in the color dark brown. And listen, honey, when I say this eyebrow pencil is everything, it is everything. So I'm just putting everything out. I can't wait for you guys to see my hair. It's something that I don't really wear like literally at all, so I'm doing something different or whatever. But gotta put that foundation on the lip. But yeah, I'm doing something different for the hair. Like, I really got tired of long hair, guys. Like, for my hair, y'all gonna be gagging, literally gag. I'm just not looking kind of cute or whatever. Like, really, I don't really have no like big birthday plans, because honestly, I thought the plans really last minute. I don't know, like, it's whatever. But what I really wanted to do was go away, but I thought of that last minute also, so I couldn't do that. But for my 21st birthday, girl, I'm about to be lit. I'm about to be in Jamaica, Cabeka, Alabreca, and all those islands or whatever. But yeah, so girl, when I turn 21, I'm fully legal, okay? So just doing this. Now I'm gonna be baking under my eyes. Oh, and I got my nails done, guys, already. It's so cute. Feet done, nails done, everything did. And I'm just gonna bake. And this baking powder, I don't like it because it's so drying, but the color, the pigment is everything. It's the Fix's Formula Mineral Wear Powder. Then it's time for contour, because the look I'm doing today, I really want to look like a 90s, 80s movie star. So my cheeks gotta be chiseled, you know. I got a fat face, I got big cheeks. Like, no girl, I need to have a jawline today, okay? I'm using this LA Colors contour palette, whatever. I'm gonna be honest, you guys, I'm not the best contourist. I just kind of go with the flow, you know. Like, I just go with the flow. Like, I'm not the best contourist. If you want to check me on it, I really don't care. But I'm doing my makeup in daylight lighting, so that's good. When I do my makeup like in the bathroom, I come out, I'll be looking like Little Kim. Like, I mean, girl, I'll be looking crazy. But as most beauty gurus say, blend under the contour. I mean, powder under the contour. This is probably so bad that I'm doing my makeup for my birthday and recording it, because I need to concentrate and I cannot be talking. But everything looks chiseled. Like, don't be mad at me, but I think I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. No, I'm not. I'll be back. Okay, so I am looking like okay guys, so now that my whole face is blended out, I'm just gonna put like 2 layers of maybe 3 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sprays of setting spray on because I do not want to look like a corpse. And just blend that in right quick because I have dry skin. I cannot afford for my skin to be looking like I'm about to die. Guys, so I did my makeup. My makeup is done. Hair is done. So this is a wig, guys, and I just try to slay it. I just try to slay it to my best ability, and she came out cute or whatever. Like, I'm low-key loving this. But so makeup and hair is done, and I'm about to get dressed real soon. Okay, guys, so now I got a bonnet on because I don't know, I got a bonnet. But I got my outfit on, so let me show y'all the details. We got, you know, the fur jacket on. I'm just wearing this like this because I don't want to mess up my dress. But this is my dress. Y'all seen from my last vlog. No, not my last vlog, my other vlog. I was trying on the dress in black and I had to get it in white. Like, this is so pretty. I'm not wearing these. Okay, I'm not wearing these first slides. I'm wearing these shoes. I'm wearing my heels or whatever, but you know, girls, getting hot. I need to show some skin. If you want to get this necklace I have on, the link will be down in the description box below. This is from my website. I just have like a cute little crown there or whatever, and yeah, I'm looking cute or whatever. So next time I see you guys, I will be in the car on my way to go out. Okay, guys, so I'm all dressed. This is how I'm looking like rich, looking like you cannot afford this. So yeah, so here I am. Better. My bag, crystalline. Y'all finna see I'm walking to the car. First time being bullheaded. She has to go to ATM, but I brought my setting spray with me because it is like 75 degrees outside, and I got a whole bunch of makeup on. Like, literally, I got like 2 pounds of makeup on. So, you know, when my face is feeling dry and feeling like it's about to melt, just put some of that on, and you know, there we go. Okay guys, so I'm at the place right now, seeing what I want to order. The place is really nice in here. I have to get a hamburger. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get the classic buffalo style chicken wings, because you know that's what I eat, buffalo wings, hot wings, and get some french fries.
You're getting a 10-ounce.
This lightning is low-key bad. Like, if I just put my phone over here. Yeah, that's what I'm about to eat. I don't really eat a lot of fancy stuff. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna take a picture of it because it's kind of dark in here, but you know, I gotta take a picture. The 1K lights, but I'm looking like Deja Vu. I think they got a basketball court in too. So, oh, I never told you guys the place I'm going to. So, I'm at a restaurant right now called Clyde Frazier. I guess it's like this famous basketball player or whatever. I like this basketball court in here. I heard it's lit, so I'm gonna go in there soon after I eat my food.
I think the drinks are...
Yeah, it's gonna be empty in here, but I'm just ready to eat. Oh! I know. Over there's my basketball court. Showing them basketball court. Yes. They are paying me $100 an hour to be in there. And over here, maybe we can take a picture right here. This is my $1,000 team. Look at little boy. Look at show them
What is they doing? They trying to rob us.
So as you guys can see, this is my $1,000 TV, $1 million. You cannot afford this TV. She is top quality, okay? And with my food stamps, I pay for all of this. Yes, and over here, as you guys can see, this is where my guests sit. They pay $100 a minute to just eat here. Hallelujah. And over here, we have.
I got this pickle.
I was recording everything.
I love pickles, but I got some buffalo wings,
My mom said she wanted to put me in
some fries. These fries are elite, bro. Look at this. That's my niece food. She got a number 10 in her burger.
Everything was sad.
Yes. Yes, thank you.
That's my mom's food.
Got to be classy and put this on your lap. I guess since we're at a fancy place, I gotta eat my chicken with a fork. And wow, that is so good. You can see we have some lettuce and string beans on the chicken. So good.
That's Bosley, I think.
I know. This is really pretty good.
Well,
This is my private basketball court. It's close to $10 million. As you can see,
oh, she made it.
we made that. As you can see, people are already outside because they cannot afford this luxury. You want to try it now?
Yeah.
We get $100,000.
Oh, you got that one.
If I make this one, that means I'm getting $1 million.
Okay.
I'm gonna get 5 minutes to try it.
5 million.
Even better. Okay, if I make this shot,
Be rich.
I don't even know. If I make this shot, my hair will grow.
What?
I said, and that's how you sit right here.
Alright, so nobody got a point yet.
Exactly.
They're waiting for you outside, okay? Okay, guys, you got your 10 minutes.
How you know? I'm scared. I thought we got into 7:55 or something.
How you get 10 minutes in there? As I just paid my food, paid money to eat up in here, I get 10 minutes. People are just mad because I look like Betty Boop today. And they look like a bull-headed rugrats. So now we walking back to the car. That was fun though. I wish we had more time.
That was fun.
His big birthday-looking self had to stand by the door.
He got knocked on the door. He
Yeah.
should have let us leave when we was about to leave.
I cannot wait to go home, take all this makeup off. My face literally feels disgusting.
Make sure y'all subscribe.
Subscribe, get me to 100K subs.
I thought you had heels on my shoe on.
I got slides on.
Yeah.